In this video, we show how to replace the IDSDM module on a PowerEdge R7625. Before removing the IDSDM module, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the R7625 service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove the IDSDM module, you must first remove the cover. To remove the cover, use a screwdriver to rotate the lock counterclockwise to the unlocked position. Next, lift the release latch until the system cover slides back. Then, lift the cover from the system. To remove the IDSDM module, holding the blue pull tab, lift it out of the system. To remove the SD cards, press down and release to eject the card, and then pull them from the module. Note: when removing the SD cards, temporarily label each card with the corresponding slot number to help ensure correct installation later. To install the SD cards, align the cards with the slot and press down to lock into place. To install the IDSDM module, align it with the connector on the system board and insert. Press the module until it's firmly seated. To install the cover, align the system cover with the guide slots on the system and place it onto the system. Next, close the system cover release latch. Finally, rotate the lock clockwise to the lock position. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.